This newly renovated condo is a wow. This move-in ready second floor condo offers 3 bedrooms and 2 full baths. Open concept floor plan, large family room west/sliding doors to Lanai. Master bedroom has walk-in closet. 2 bedrooms for your guests. Newly painted throughout. New carpet. Air conditioner replaced in 2019. The kitchen has almost new Samsung stainless steel refrigerator, microwave, dishwasher, and range, new faucet and amp, deep sink west/new garbage disposal. Countertop with breakfast bar. Hurricane shutters. Stackable washer and dryer in unit. Assigned private parking space and amp, additional guest parking available. Wonderful amenities include gated entry, community center with party room, Wi-Fi, full kitchen, fitness center, pool and amp, hot tub west/lovely lake view. Pet friendly with low condo fees, only $290 per month. Great central location, close to schools, restaurants, major shopping centers, close to beaches and international airport. Enjoy the Florida lifestyle.